screen. So just testing out the van, just giving it a run. Giving Pippa a bit of a run now. A moment. I'll probably take her down, see what she thinks of the water. Hey, you. What you think? Oh, she's snooping.
I think this is a very, very interesting piece of grass.
See if she wants to go down to the beach. Good plan.
Pippa. Pippa. Touch. Pippa.
Try yes.
Pippa. Touch. No, she doesn't get yes until she's on the right. Pippa. Touch. Pippa. Touch. Yes! Good girl. Hey. Hey. Good girl. Oh, yes, I know. But you listened. Good girl.
Finally. So, the TARDIS ran really well. So guess the job we did with the alternator seems to have done what we wanted. So, figured we'd bring her out for a bit of a jaunt. Road test the van while we're at it. Take her down here and see how busy it is. Lots of sniffs for her.
Sniff, sniff. Come. Pippa. What you got under there?
For a walk along the beach.
Yeah. We'll go down here and go that way.
Sure. Sounds like a plan. Oh, she's going to examine a bunch of stuff. Yeah, you know her nose is going to be going a million miles an hour. So. Now we're just hanging out. Give her a moment of privacy. Yay, there you are. So we used to scuba dive here as well. On the far side of this, there's like always sort of a small colony of wolf eels, which is really cool. Wolf eels, incredibly ugly, but my God, they're like cats. They're friendly. They're actually affectionate if you get to know them. You can feed them. You can pet them. So yeah, some of the first scuba dives I ever did were here. I think the last one I ever did was here. So, and it's really kind of a cool place. Anyway, so I can catch up to my dog. It kind of limits me in how fast they can go. Checking things out. think this was the first place we went scuba diving the first time we came out, and I think it was the last place I ever went diving in. So I'll just get her to sit. Nope, nope. Only if you're invited. Only if you're invited. Only if you're invited. Oh, they invited her. I know, you're at the end of your rope, I know. Oh, there she goes.
There she goes.
Total flop. There you go. Hey, no jumping. Pippa, off. Come on.
Be polite.
Oh, she says, I'm a husky. I'm an elephant. I don't have to be. Yes, you do, actually. Hey, Pip. Pip. Pip, touch. She's almost. There she goes.
Touch. Good girl. Sit. No paw. Paw.
I told you, said. You did say paw. Okay, I guess I'm just walking for a bit. So she's let ahead of us right now, but yeah. So yeah, it's hard for me to keep up. Once you get going, it's like, hey, you gotta be miles ahead of me real fast. But I love home. She's just wandering around the road. Hey, Pippa. Hey, Pip. Pip, Pip. Hey, Pip. Come on, Goofus. Yeah, but there's a new smell here, and there's a new smell here. Oh, wait, there's a new smell here. Keep careful of your knee. Sure enough. Nice little Zodiac over there. Nice little black Zodiac over there. Oh, what'd you find? Looks like a raven. Doofus. Wonder what happens when you go in the water. I know, you don't have the right clothes, but it's like, yeah. Hey, Pip. Pip, what's up? Hey. You gonna try it? What's Mom doing? Hey, Pippa, what's Mommy doing? She's checking something out. She's like, what's that? My nose is overloaded. Where's Mommy going? Hey, Pip. Pip. What's Mom doing? Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh, where's she going? Oh, there she goes. See? There she goes. What do you think? Huh? Let's see if we get another couple steps and see what she does. Just go to your knees. Oh, well, okay. There's a towel in the car, I think. Should be towels in the car. What do you think, dear pup? No? Alright.
I think if I went swimming, she might do it just fine.
I think she would, actually.
But if we really want a double coated dog,
Not right now.
such sauce and smoky wet again, we've done that. We don't need those dogs.
Uh-oh, there's a child coming. Alright. See the child? You leave them alone. Okay, Pip, sit. Hang on, I gotta make her do voices. Sit. Hey, Pippa, Pippa, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this mean? Carol. I was trying to get... Pip, Pip. Is she gonna roll? There's something in the ground there that's really got her attention. Hey, Pip.
Good dog.
Hey. Pip, what's this? What's this? There we go. That's better. Stay.
Until you
Good
put
girl.
my dog on it.
That's a good girl. Stay. There you go. Good job. That's a good job. There's a family going by. So making sure she doesn't invite herself. Good job. All right, should we head back? Is that kind of like paint drying? What are you doing? Hey, come here. Come here, you. Come on. What are you doing? What are you... You're drying your feet on my pants. I see. Alright, fine. What's this? What's this?
This might be a bad idea for both of us.
What's that? What do you think? What do you think? It's quite the view, huh? Sailboats, everything else. What you looking at? Oh, the little island? There were people up there. I don't think you want to climb up there right
Only
now.
way to get rid of June feet. Walk on rock.
Walk on rock. I'd rather sniff than eat. That's weird.
Look at the rock. Pippa, what's this? Fine. You don't need a treat anyway.
Yeah, I think they are launching at Slack, which is a good idea, so. Oh. No, you're making good choices, Pippa. Good girl. Head's just bobbing back and forth, just checking things out. What do you think? Taking in the view. That's what she's looking at. God, not a seabird in the sky right now. Nothing. What do you think, Pip? Back to the trek? Shall we go back?
I want to watch the one.
Want to finish watching? Okay.